Welcome to FRELOTEX Technologies, where we are committed to helping people acquire practical digital skills that lead to meaningful careers, successful businesses, self-reliance, and financial independence. Have you ever wondered how websites, mobile apps, and software are created? Every online banking platform, e-commerce website, hospital management system, school portal, and social media platform starts with one thing: software development. Software development is the process of designing, building, testing, and maintaining computer programs and applications that solve real-world problems. Software developers use programming languages and modern technologies to create solutions that make our lives easier and businesses more productive. One of the biggest benefits of software development is problem solving. Developers create applications that help businesses automate tasks, improve efficiency, reduce costs, and provide better services to customers. Another important benefit is innovation. Software development has made it possible to create online learning platforms, digital payment systems, ride-hailing apps, healthcare solutions, smart devices, and countless other technologies that have transformed the way we live and work. Software development also creates endless career opportunities. Skilled developers are in demand across virtually every industry, including banking, healthcare, education, agriculture, manufacturing, entertainment, telecommunications, and government. As businesses continue to embrace technology, the demand for software developers continues to grow. Another major advantage is flexibility. Software developers can work in offices, remotely from home, as freelancers serving clients worldwide, or as entrepreneurs building their own software products and technology companies. At FRELOTEX Technologies, we provide practical software development training that focuses on real-world projects rather than just theory. You'll learn how to build applications, write clean code, solve real business challenges, and develop the practical experience employers and clients are looking for. Our mission is not simply to teach you how to write code. We want to help you become self-reliant. The skills you gain at FRELOTEX Technologies can help you secure rewarding employment, work remotely for companies around the world, build software solutions for clients, launch your own technology startup, develop mobile apps or websites, and create digital products that generate income even while you sleep. These employable and entrepreneurial skills can provide multiple streams of income and help you achieve long-term financial independence. The technology industry continues to expand, and software development remains one of the most valuable and rewarding skills you can learn. Whether your dream is to build the next great app, work for a global technology company, or become your own boss, learning software development is a step in the right direction. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build a successful future in technology. To learn more about our practical digital skills training and discover how FRELOTEX Technologies can help you become self-reliant through employable and entrepreneurial digital skills, visit frelotex.com. Thank you for watching, and remember, at FRELOTEX Technologies, we don't just teach software development, we empower people with practical skills that create careers, build businesses, generate wealth, and transform lives.